ServiceMonster tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, this is Speak About Digital and welcome to this video on how to use ServiceMonster. ServiceMonster is a powerful and comprehensive software designed for home service businesses. It offers a wide range of features including customer management, scheduling, invoicing, marketing, reporting, and more. With ServiceMonster, you can streamline and automate many aspects of your business, saving you time and effort. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the fundamentals of using ServiceMonster and help you get started in managing your business. We will demonstrate how to create an account and provide an overview of ServiceMonster's features and functionalities. Additionally, we will explain how to integrate ServiceMonster with other platforms. We have a lot to cover in this video, so let's get started with the tutorial. To begin using ServiceMonster, the first step is to create an account. You will find the link down below in the description. So go to the description of this video and click on the first link you find there. This will take you to the correct homepage. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice a free trial button located at the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on this button will navigate you to the registration page. This is where you'll begin establishing your account. You'll need to enter some basic information, including your first and last name and the name of your company, your email address, and a contact phone number. After filling out these fields, proceed by clicking on the Start Trial button. Following this, you'll be prompted to create a password for your new account. After confirming your password, click on the Next button to continue. Your next step is setting up your ServiceMonster account. Here, you'll be asked to provide additional information as required. Upon the successful completion of this step, you'll be directed to your account dashboard. The dashboard is where you gain access to all the features and tools you need to manage your business effectively. On the left side of the dashboard, you'll find a menu housing the main tabs, each serving a unique function. Upon clicking on Home, you can add an account, order, appointment, or activity by selecting the respective button. The Home tab also allows you to view in-progress tasks, a summary of your company, the day's appointments, and take part in training sessions. The Leads tab is where you manage your potential customers. Here, you can view the list of leads, leads by month, lead conversions, and new clients based on their lead source. In the Accounts tab, you will find a comprehensive list of all your accounts, including detailed information about their activities, billing history, contract details, and tags associated with each account. This allows you to have a holistic view of your accounts and easily manage them all in one place. The Orders section provides a comprehensive overview of various aspects related to your orders. This includes access to the order list, payment details, commission information, accounting data, and the ability to fine-tune print settings to your preference. The Scheduling tab plays an important role in managing your appointments. Here you can schedule, view the appointment list, manage recurring appointments, and check the reminder list, notifications, and routes. The Marketing tab is your powerful ally for all your promotional efforts. With this tab, you can efficiently manage lead sources, track and optimize campaigns, utilize customizable templates, engage with social media platforms, and leverage merge fields to personalize your marketing messages. For all things related to fulfillment, the FMS tab has you covered. Here you can easily access and manage various aspects of fulfillment, including viewing FMS orders, tracking FMS campaigns, monitoring FMS cards sent, and overseeing FMS jobs. When it comes to performance evaluation and analysis, the Reports section is crucial. It provides a comprehensive range of reports, including financial reports to track the financial health of the business, management reports to monitor key performance indicators, marketing reports to analyze marketing strategies and campaigns, and order-based reports to assess sales and customer trends. The Dashboard section offers a comprehensive overview of various key metrics, including sales performance, repeat rate analysis, account management insights, order tracking and scheduling, marketing campaign effectiveness, and leadership boards. The Marketplace tab is a dedicated section within the platform where you can explore a wide range of other platforms for potential integration. The Settings tab is your hub for customization and management, covering setup, revenue, and management configurations. For managing your subscription with ServiceMonster, the Subscription tab allows you to change billing information. Lastly, the Customize tab empowers you to personalize the left menu and reposition the main tabs according to your preference. In addition to the left menu, there are also other key features located on the top right of the screen. These features offer quick and easy access to key tasks, ensuring a streamlined workflow. The plus button allows you to quickly add a new account, order, appointment, or confirmation from anywhere on your dashboard. This is a time-saving feature that enhances the platform's overall efficiency. The new scheduling window is a powerful tool designed to help manage your appointments effectively. The Recent Activities feature provides a consolidated view of your most recent actions on the ServiceMonster platform. This allows you to keep track of your operations and gives you quick access to your latest tasks, ensuring nothing gets missed or forgotten. The Profile section allows you to manage your personal settings on ServiceMonster. Here, you can view your user profile, reset your password, or change the theme of your dashboard for a personalized look and feel. With these features, ServiceMonster ensures that managing your home service business is a smooth and efficient process, enabling you to focus on providing high-quality services to your customers. Now, let's see how to integrate ServiceMonster with other platforms. ServiceMonster's integration capabilities allow for a seamless connection with a range of other platforms. The reason behind these integrations is to foster a more inclusive, efficient, and streamlined workflow, enabling you to manage all aspects of your business in one place effectively. To begin this process, navigate to the Marketplace tab located in the left menu of your dashboard. This action will lead you to the Marketplace page, where you will find a list of available platforms for integration. To integrate ServiceMonster with a desired platform, simply click on the platform's name. Follow the instructions provided for the specific integration. Suppose you have the desire to integrate ServiceMonster with Zapier. To do so, you need to scroll through the list until you find Zapier and click on it. This action will direct you to the Zapier integration details page. On this page, you will find an option Connect ServiceMonster to your Zapier account. By clicking on this option, you will be taken to the Zapier login page. After logging into your Zapier account, you will need to authorize the integration with your ServiceMonster account. Following these steps will successfully integrate ServiceMonster with Zapier or any other platform listed in the marketplace to enhance your ServiceMonster experience. When it comes to pricing, ServiceMonster offers 3 distinct plans designed to cater to the varied needs of its users: Basic, Grow, and Premier. Each plan is priced differently and includes a specific number of user licenses, with the option to purchase additional licenses. The basic plan is priced at $49 per month and includes 1 user license. This option is ideal for small-scale operations or individual proprietors who want to streamline their workflow and adopt a more technological approach to business management. If additional user licenses are required, they can be purchased at a cost of $10 per month for each license. Next in line is the Grow plan, priced at $129 per month. This plan includes 5 user licenses, making it a suitable option for growing businesses that have a small team. As with the basic plan, additional user licenses can be added at a cost of $10 per month per license. The Grow plan, as the name suggests, is designed to support businesses in their expansion phase, providing them with more comprehensive features to manage their operations effectively. Finally, ServiceMonster offers the Premier plan, targeted at larger businesses. Priced at $199 per month, it offers 10 user licenses. This plan provides access to a broader range of features designed to handle the complex needs of a larger operation. As with the other plans, additional user licenses can be added at a cost of $10 per month per license. Each plan is designed to scale and adapt to your business size and needs, ensuring that ServiceMonster is a powerful tool for your home service business at any level. And there you have it, a beginner's guide to using ServiceMonster. If you want to try it out for yourself, you can sign up using the first link in the description. I would really appreciate that. Thank you. I hope you found it useful and learned something new. So again, if you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up, and if you have any questions at all, please comment below. I try to answer all the comments the best I can. Thanks for watching, and